I am an animated photo of Batman. Mind-blowing, right? Check out Tech for You's tutorials. You'll get to know fantastic free AI tools for you and your projects. Like and subscribe. I was created by Hedra. You can do it too. Just follow the tutorial.
Oh my god, this is free. Will be in the description. Today I have an avatar of me, myself and I to help me with this tutorial. Tell me what you think in the comments. I think I look a bit different, but let's start.
Hi everyone. You can now animate a photo and bring it to life. This is free and mind-blowing. Let's do it. This is the tutorial. First, generate an audio or import it.
Write down what you want the character to say.
Then select a voice.
The voices are incredibly real.
Choose a character by importing a photo, or you can ask AI to generate it.
When you generate, you have to wait for a little bit. Your creations will be in my library. You can also check out other creations in Community Spotlight. And you can download them. So I uploaded a photo. But what about if I want to create something and I ask AI to do it? Same process. Write the prompt. Choose the voice. Describe your image. I just wrote Batman or Joker. Hit create and then generate the video after the picture appears. This is wow! And free. So what are you waiting for? Now it's your turn to try it out.
Tech for You has the best AI free tools for you and your projects in less than 4 minutes. Check it out. Free, easy and mind-blowing. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe.
So if you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you and your projects. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget and check out my channel because I have amazing free AI tools for you. So bye bye for now.